Hi all, welcome to Jamso Art Class. Today we are going to draw a cake. C-A-K-E, cake. To draw a cake, we will be making an oval, standing line, and then some wavy lines to draw chocolate layer. It's basically cream layer. Standing line from other side too, but yes, like this. And some semicircle for layering. And now we will erase from here and make cream layer with some cherries and choco chip. Small tiny triangles to look like choco chip. And then some layer of cream. Dot 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 dot. Yeah, our cake is ready. Some cream layer. Okay guys, and we'll see you in the next session. So keep watching Jamso Art Class. Please do like, subscribe and share this channel. See you. Bye bye.